You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Good news, getting covered is easier than you think, especially with the right guide. At SDC International Shipping, we make insurance simple and seamless. First, free consultation about your move. 2, full explanation of insurance types and options. 3, assistance creating your inventory and valuation. 4, coordination with trusted international insurance carriers. And 5, secure coverage finalized before your move. Here's what you get: peace of mind, fast claims processing, and professional packing that meets all insurance requirements, and transparent, honest guidance. Insurance is not about expecting the worst. It's about planning for the unexpected so you can move forward without fear. Here's your next steps. Are you ready to protect your move the smart way? Request your free moving quote now. Speak with our SDC relocation expert at 877-339-0267. Because when it comes to international moves, hoping for the best isn't just a plan. Getting covered is.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.